friends, Crystal here. Thanks for joining me this week. I feel like I say that every week, but I like to say thank you because there are a billion places you could spend your time. And if you're taking the 5 or 10 minutes to watch one of my videos, I truly do appreciate it. I want to talk to you this week a little bit about styled stock video. Did you know that I have a stock video shop? Yes, I do. I started doing stock video for myself out of necessity. I did not have the time to play with TikTok. I did not have time to really grow anything on that platform last year because so many of my clients needed me. And one of my biggest things is making sure that I show up for them, I perform for them, and I help them grow their businesses too. And so what I started doing was filming video clips when I would have certain models that were already in the studio working with me. And I started doing these little video clips of various motions and things that they were doing and created a little stock shop from it. Because I later started telling friends who were very interested in what I was doing, what was going on. And I did this because I knew I couldn't show up, but I knew that video was the way of the future. And I knew that posting photos wasn't going to always be the thing that was going to work. Everyone started doing TikTok. Then shortly after came Reels, and it felt very overwhelming for me to stand there and show my face, even though I do it here on YouTube. It just felt silly to me to stand here and point and dance and do like all these things that just didn't feel like me. You know, like how can you be yourself when it's not really what you want to do? So I decided to create styled stock video because I wanted a place to be able to share the videos that I was making for myself so that other people who felt paralyzed by having to show up all the time, show their face, wanted a better way of being able to do video, had that option. So it fits perfectly because it's a very minimalistic, style conscious style, just like my own brand and like the brands that I work with, but it's become a trend. And so this week I want to talk about style stock video and how it might be able to help your business, especially if you feel like you might be facing burnout with the amount of videos that people are having to put out these days, and the fact that video is now on every platform and not just one or two. So how can style stock video really help a small business owner? First off, it's going to help you fight off burnout. So I say it's going to help you fight off burnout because it really is. When we think about how many videos people are trying to post, some marketers are telling people to post a video every single day. No, thank you. But if you're posting videos even a couple of times throughout the week and you are busy, you have lots of clients, especially if you're offering a service and you're still trading time for money. If you're a product business and you've got these huge wholesale accounts and you know you need to spend the day in the warehouse cranking away at doing all of the products, preparing everything, getting it ready to ship out. Even with a team, it can feel really overwhelming to then turn around and have to produce a bunch of videos to put on social media just for your account to be able to continue to stay relevant. It's not necessarily for everybody that it's that case. Some people are still posting photos and they're still getting a really good turnout. But for the most of us, we're seeing that we're getting even more turnout, growing our accounts, and we're finding people turning more and more towards accounts that are posting video more often. So we know it's necessary evil. But to fight burn off using any kind of stock video is going to be a key way of being able to still share the message, stay relevant, talk about your products and services, and be able to post something in Reels so that people can still see you making that connection and realizing that you are still there available to them to solve their problems. So truly what that comes to is the second point, and that is that style stock video gives people a chance to have some other alternative. And so we're going to start seeing it pop up even more. I collaborated recently with both Ivory Mix and Hot Stock Shops because they are also providing some stock video options to their subscribers just to see what works best for everyone and to help some of those business owners who are facing burnout or feeling like they can't possibly do one more video of themselves or how they could possibly streamline the process a little bit more and maybe be able to plan things out a little bit further ahead, especially during times when they are very, very busy. So having stock video as another option is becoming a trend, and it's changing the way people are able to do graphics and video. Even Canva has hopped on that bandwagon, where we've also offered some of our stock video as well so that people can utilize it through Canva, apply it to different graphics. So you can add some text, you could add some call to actions, you could talk to people about the product and be able to add in other pieces that you couldn't before and be able to post that graphic or schedule it out so you can have a little bit of breathing room in your schedule. And it's all becoming a thing. When you know that the larger companies are hopping on the bandwagon, you know it's not going away. So if you're feeling like it's a good option, or you're like, I don't even know where to start, I'm not a videographer, heck, I can hardly do my photos, Congratulations, that's what stock video is for. Stock video is for you to be able to easily plug and apply, just like you would stock photos, video, to the reels and the things that you are posting. It also keeps some nice fun movement, which is also very appealing to people and their eye. That's what they're looking for when they're scrolling through reels. They're looking for things that catch their eye. They're looking for things that are interesting or intriguing. It's the same reason that people want to know how you do what you do in your business, and they love seeing behind the scenes. You want something that's appealing. So taking a really fun, appealing stock video that you can apply to a graphic to be able to share information about an upcoming discount or any specials you're running through the holiday or maybe in the spring, anything like that that you can go in and apply that video to is going to give you an option to be able to show up in reels, having a better reach and outcome, thus leading to hopefully better sales, right? That's what we're all here for. We're here for better sales, we're here for better reach, and we're here for building a bigger audience. So stock video is a great alternative to be able to help you with that, and it's meant to be simple and easy. I know for a fact in my stock shop, I do both vertical video and I give you the square format. So that way you already have them preset and ready to go. You can upload them to Canva, drag them over to your graphic, add your text, add your information, and then be able to export it as an MP4 video and go upload it to your reels. It's that simple, and it's supposed to be that simple, and it gives you an alternative to maybe fill in between showing your face and other things that you do in your business, but give you some relief if you feel burnt out or overwhelmed, or you're really struggling with how to wrap your head around some other strategy and ideas when it comes to video. And if you're still like, I don't know how I feel about it. I love showing examples. And so what I have done is I have created a free tutorial, and I call it a tutorial because I don't do the workshop thing. I'm not pulling up a presentation and running you through all these questions and random points of things you already know. I am giving you a tutorial step by step of me taking graphics and some photo and stock video and showing you how I put together a reel set right in front of you while you're watching my screen, watching me tweak, make adjustments, adding things, moving things around, how to trim and clip the videos. So if you just need a small segment of it, all of those pieces are free in my free tutorial. And I've given you 3 bonus stock videos for free. So you can go download those, grab the Reels template that I've also added in for free so that you can go in and play with it. I truly want you to have another option in your business to feel a little less overwhelmed this season with all of the video and stuff going on, and hopefully feel a little bit more confident about being able to have some other alternatives to being able to show your face all the time on Reels. Because let's face it, that kind of feels good sometimes to take a break. So be able to take a break this holiday season and enjoy your family and friends. Set up a couple of stock videos to help you still connect with your audience and convey your message. And you can get started with that link below here. Make sure to click like, subscribe, comment if you have any questions at all. Thank you so much again for spending time with me today, and I look forward to seeing you over on the Stock Shop.